Hey there, in this video I want to show you how you can build a beautiful website like this. I know building a website can be overwhelming. There's so many tools out there such as Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Hostinger, GoDaddy and WordPress of course. And it can be really overwhelming to choose the right one. And in this video I will be your friend and just show you the right and easy way to do it and how I did it with my own website. I can tell you right away we will be using Wix. This is the tool I used for my own website here, julianweber.com. So I do like Wix a lot. And it's also the biggest website builder out there, so they have a competitive pricing and the most amount of features. So without further ado, let's start. Before we begin, you will find the link to Wix down in the description of this video. It's a partner link, and if you click on it, it will bring you to this page, and here you can sign up for free and start your free trial. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot for that. So yeah, please just go ahead, click on it and enter your email and start now. And once you've done that, you will land on this screen, and here you can chat with the new AI of Wix. I have already done some videos about that, so please go ahead and check these out. But for now, I want to skip it because I want to use a template in the end. So here you can tell Wix what kind of website you want to build. So let's say I want to build an agency and I just want to have my advertising agency, and then I can click continue. And now Wix is preparing the dashboard for us. And this is the dashboard or the backend of Wix. This is what you as an admin will see. Here you have your website settings, you have your analytics, you have your marketing, and also your inboxes. So when people contact you via your website, you can answer them here. But let's go ahead and set up our site. So Wix will give you a short to-do list, but we want to jump to the third step, design site. And now we can either have the AI design our site or we can choose the template. I will pick a template because I do like the professional looking templates from Wix. And here I can say advertising agency, and it will give me already some website templates. If you want to build a website for a different purpose, you can of course go through and check it out. Here you have business websites, health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion. You have online store templates. You have creative templates, for example, for photography, for design, music, creative arts. Just go ahead, browse through. There's a template for pretty much every use case, but we want to do marketing. So let's go through and see what we like. So I like this one a lot, so I can click on view and take a look how it looks, and I do like it, so I can just click on edit site, and now Wix will bring up the editor. Here on the left side I have a menu to add elements, add sections, or add new pages, or change the design, and on the top I have a bar where I can switch between desktop and mobile. I can undo or redo things, and I can zoom in and publish the website. So let's start easy by just zooming in and changing some text. So here we have the text, and we can just click in and edit the text. For example, if we now would say making connections and delivering the best ROI for your business, for example, and we can edit also the paragraph and just add some more text. This is basically how you would do it in PowerPoint or in Word. You can make the font size bigger, you can change the font, you can make it bold or italic, and you have some effects, you can change the color. So this is pretty straightforward and goes without any further explanation, I would say, because it's fairly easy and straightforward. But now what makes Wix really special is the drag and drop editor, because we can take the headline and drag it around on the canvas, so to say, and really make it our own. So we can move it up, move it down, put it a little bit more here. Just be careful, don't move it over this border here, because this won't show on smaller screens such as on an iPad or mobile. So all content should be in between those two borders. But I do like the position of the text already. We can move it up a little bit, and this also, and maybe make the section a little bit bigger. And now we could add, for example, a button so people can contact us. So we can just click here and have a button here, make it a little bit bigger because it's the call to action, change the text, contact us. And of course, every button should link somewhere, so we can link it to a page on our website. And let's see what pages we already have in here. So yeah, we have this homepage, programs, projects. So we don't have a contact page. We will add this in a second. I will show you that, and then we can link it. Yeah, but maybe we want to have a video here explaining our services and greeting the visitors of our site. So I can click on add element, and then I click on video. And then I can just put in a YouTube video here, make it a little bit bigger, and then change the video. I will just grab this URL for this example and then put it in, and now it's already uploading my video. And here we can then place the video, and now we have a section greeting the visitors, and we have a contact us button, and we have a video here explaining our services. So that's already pretty cool. We can zoom out a little bit and check it out, and then we can go down, and here we have more sections which are coming from the template. And here we have our projects, our clients, and we can of course just go in, click in, and then we would change the images here for different client logos. Or for example, our team members, you can just click in, manage media, and then we could change these images. For example, replace the image, and now you can either upload your own files, or Wix also has some media here, so you can choose this media or use Unsplash, which is a free platform for stock photos. Yeah, I don't know. I will choose this guy and just add to the page. So we have a new team member. Click done, and now he will be added here. Perfect. So this is how you change texts, paragraphs, and images, and also add videos to your page. And you would just go through this and change everything. So just make it your own. You can always link the text, so you can of course then have extra pages explaining your portfolio. But for now, let's create a contact page, because people can't contact us here, and I think it's really important for a website that they can contact us. So that's why we want to go here on pages and menu. Then we can add a menu item, say new page, and then Wix will give us a lot of different templates. I click on contact, and here we have a template for a contact page. So I do like this one a lot and can click on add page. And now Wix will automatically add this page to our menu, and it will show up here. So I can click done for now. And then I would jump in and just edit everything. I will put in our own address. I will put in an image. I can also change Wix Forms here, so I can add more fields to it. Just click on add new field, and then Wix will prompt you to add new fields to your form. For example, if you need the URL or the birthday or something, you can add this here. Your opening hours, and you can of course add this map here, so manage location. For example, if you are in New York instead of San Francisco, you can just type it in, and then suddenly you are in New York. Yeah, this is a little small. We can always make these sections a little bit bigger, and don't stretch it. So we can just make this map a little bit bigger. Yeah, so as you have seen before, you can just add the text, and every element is clickable, and it will always bring you up some options you can do here. So manage locations, you can have settings and the design option and change it. For example, we can also make the map colorful. I think this looks a little bit better. And maybe you want to add another section to this page, then you can click on add section. And this works basically the same as with pages. You have a lot of templates here, for example, for your team, for your contact. Maybe contact now fits in here because we are on the contact page. So let's choose this one. So I do like this style here. You can have your address, your phone, your email, and your social media here. Yeah, then we can just delete this here. You can always just delete stuff and move the form fields up. Yeah. And for example, if you don't have opening hours, you can of course always delete this section, and then it's deleted. Yeah, this is how you would make it your own and just add all the elements here to the sections, or add an entire section to this page, or add a new page. And now we just have a lot of different menu items, which I think is very ugly. So we can go ahead and just hide those or delete them. For example, we could delete the programs, which you don't have right now. Just delete it and move it out. And the about us, it's already on the homepage, so we can hide that. I think services is more important, and the contact also needs to stay. But I think the website menu is fine. It has 5 items. I think that's good for an agency website, and I do like it. And so we can keep it. Yeah, now you know how to change the text, how to add buttons. Of course, we want to link this button now to the contact page. So we can go in and click here on contact, and now the button is linking to the contact page. But with a button, you can also link to a different web address, for example, your Instagram account or YouTube channel. And the last part is to publish the site. So we can click on publish, and then Wix will give us a dummy domain here, julianshomepage.wixsite.com/julianweber-4. And here you can just go through and click on everything. For example, here's the services, and it scrolls down. Here's our contact page. and we have it here. Now I see, okay, we have contact in twice, and this is why you shouldn't publish the website directly. You can always just preview the website first and go here on preview, and then do your quality assurance, and don't publish it right away as I did right now. But I think it's fine for now because no one will see this website anyways. I will delete the last part, and yeah, this is the contact. Need to rename it and make it contact. So yeah, make sure you fix every error and then you publish your site. And of course, this is not a good website domain, so therefore we want to connect our own domain, and you can click here and just click on connect your domain. And for example, my website is julianweber.com, but this is already taken, so I would go julianweber123.com. Let's go. And the domain is free, so I can get it. And this is where Wix will prompt you to upgrade. Of course, they won't give you a website with your own domain for free. And then you can click on continue. And now you simply choose a plan. I'm always a big fan of the light plan, starting with a smaller plan and then upgrade later, because here you already have a free domain and 2 GB of storage space and already 2 collaborators. But if you're a bigger business, you can choose business or business elite, and you will have more storage and more collaborators. And if you're an online store or you want to accept payments for bookings, you of course need the core plan, because here you can accept payments, and then you just select the plan and pay via PayPal or Visa, MasterCard and credit cards, and then Wix will go ahead and register the custom domain for you, and then your website will be live under this domain. This is how you build a website with Wix. Fairly easy, I would say. If you want to try it out now, please go ahead, click on the link down in the description. It will give you a free trial. And yeah, if you're down there, please give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.